fantastic event here in Vermosa.
Ang saya-saya!
It's incredible to see all the families out there gathered here in this wonderful event of Shopwise.
The Shopwise Bike Fest actually is a clear expression of our core values: family, wellness, and the good life. This year's event brought together over 2,800 cyclists, including kids in our new push bike category, celebrating movement, healthy living, and building lasting memories.
It was very exciting as well because all of the attendees were able to actually bring home goodies from Shopwise, which made everybody actually very happy.
Thank you, Shopwise!
3,000 strong this year. Na-improve natin yung numbers natin from last year.
We are 3,000 strong, so keep safe, everybody.
In cooperation with Sunrise Events and all these sponsors na tumulong to make this event happen and to become very successful. So magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Greetings from the Imo sa inyo.
Siyempre, maraming salamat of course to Shopwise para po sa ating second Bike Fest. 3, 2, 1!
A great ride. This one is a blast. Thank you Shopwise, thank you Sunrise, thank you to all the organizers and sponsors. We will be back next year.
I think what makes it different is parang family-centered talaga this time, which I really like. And even the area is really nice for kids, super safe for kids.
Parang getaway to. And also to enjoy with the kids. No? Yun ang importante.
Sobrang saya. Very organized. Uulit uli next year.
Grabe. Masaya. Masaya. Gusto kong ulitin to. Thank you Shopwise. Thank you.
Thank you, Shopwise! Hello, good day. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Ito na yung second time na sumali ako sa Shopwise. Sasali ako ulit ako pag meron. Thank you, Shopwise! Salamat, sobrang saya.
We actually joined last year already, but we said that every year we're gonna keep coming back.
As usual, masaya siya talaga. Join na kayo next year.
Woo!